check your transaction history on Freenet, follow these simple steps to access your records quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Freenet website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the correct username and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the transaction history section. Look for a section labeled Transaction History, Account Activity, or something similar. This section may be found under Account Settings or a Financial Overview tab. Step 4. Select the date range. In the Transaction History section, you may have the option to filter results by date range. Choose the desired time frame to view specific transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. After applying any filters, browse through your transaction history. You can view details such as dates, amounts, and descriptions of each transaction. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Freenet. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to customer support.